We've stepped into Tinseltown, and this is a really popular collection. Right now, as we're looking at the ornaments that are selling hot, they're coming from Snow Angel and Tinseltown. In Tinseltown, we've gone big. We have 2 designer trees here for you to look at, including this first tree when you step in. And one of the things I want to point out to you here, we have a lot of different drop ornaments, but we have this drop ornament that is brand new. And this one has both beads on glass and rhinestones. Isn't that beautiful? And then we've got a little bit of glitter down here as an accent. This ornament right here is something that customers are gravitating towards. They love seeing that. We have all kinds of glass ornaments with all a little bit of shine, a little bit of beading, a little bit of ice in them. And then we also have, as a partner to that drop, we have the orb. And I'm going to show you the orb real quick. It's right in here. It's kind of hidden underneath this branch. I'm going to kind of pull it out. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful with the rhinestones and the beads on the glass orb? So the orb and the drop are very hot for Tinseltown. Let's transition over to the other Tinseltown tree and let's take a look at a few more ornaments that are doing very well this season. So Tinseltown is all about the brilliance and the light and reflecting the light. It's very bright. It kind of shines like diamonds. And then we have a whole bunch of different materials that we're using here. A lot of acrylics, some rhinestones, some beading, some metals. And you're going to see them across this entire designer tree. Now this tree is a lot more white than the first tree that we saw in Tinseltown, but beautiful. It's a beautiful tree. One thing I want to point out are the little snowflakes. Now there's an assorted set of 3 small snowflakes. And if you're looking for the number in your virtual showroom shopping cart, it's 83322. 83322, and they're a small snowflake. I'm going to put my hand up here so you can kind of see how small they are. They're very small, but they're beautiful, and they're a assorted set of 3. These are on our hot seller list right now for the season. Another snowflake that is doing really, really well is quite a large snowflake, and this one is a beaded one with some rhinestones. See, these are rhinestones right here. And then this little white beads across the metal snowflake. And this large snowflake is doing great for us too. Now, a couple of the things on this tree that I want to note to you that are really hot on the designer tree are 2 stems. And they have a completely different look. Here's one right here. This stem, it has the wire, and of course it has these little pieces of ice, but they're very, very smooth, and they have a little bit of snow across them. And so that is 86179, and I'm calling this the smoother iced crystal stem. And then we have one that's chunky, and so that's what we're seeing up here. And it looks like the ice just kind of froze in a chunky pattern right there on the stem, but customers are loving this. They like the look of it. They like the fact that it's kind of looks a little random with its edges. But these stems are placed inside of this tree, and these are doing very well too, and that is 86178. So 2 different types of ice, both a little bit snowy. This one's got the snow right on the stem, right on the branches, and then the other one is what I'm calling the smooth one. Those are doing very well on this tree, and of course, you know, anytime that you have any of the poinsettias and the velvet leaf poinsettias in white, they're doing well. All of the glass ornaments are doing well. If we had to say which tree is selling the most ornaments collectively, it's coming from Tinseltown. They like the glass ornaments, they like the clear acrylic ornaments, the ones with the rhinestone accents, and the ones with a little bit of glitter.